Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Anaconda distribution on our Windows 10, 11 operating system along with Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab, Spider, Qt Console, RS Studio, Visual Studio Code, etc. To download and install Anaconda, first open your favorite browser. I am going to open the browser. Then we type Google, and in this Google enter Anaconda download. Then click on free download. In this on this screen, we click download button to download the Anaconda for Windows. We can also download it for Mac OS or other operating systems by clicking on this icon. By default, it will download the Anaconda for Windows. So just I click on download. Now downloading is start. So Anaconda 3 2023 090 Windows exe is being downloaded. It is 1 GB file, so it will take some time. Now it is downloaded, and to go to the file, click on the icon folder. This is icon folder. We double click on this double folder. It will show the downloaded file in the download folder. Double click on this downloaded file to open the following setup windows. This setup windows, just click on the next button. It will show the license agreement. Just click on the next. Read the license agreement for terms and conditions if you want. So I just click on I agree. It will show the installation method for just me and for all users. We can choose one option of installation. I go with just me and then click next. The default folder, this is the default folder. The default folder is shown on this window. Either we can go to the default folder or change it by this browse button. Keep the check on highlighted options and click on install. It is going to start installing Anaconda on our system. If we want to see the installation details, then click on the show details and we can see what are the files which are extracted. These are the extracted file. Now it is installing. After some time, we see the completed message. Then click on next. Once again, click on next. It will show the completing Anaconda 3 setup window. Check or uncheck highlighted option. If we want to Anaconda documentation, check these two checked option, otherwise uncheck them. I am going to uncheck and then I click on finish. Once the installation of Anaconda distribution is done, we can use Jupyter Notebook, Spider or other applications that are launched by two ways. First, using Anaconda Navigator in GUI mode, and second, by using Anaconda from CUI mode. So let us first start with using Anaconda Navigator. Click on the Windows Start, then All App and Anaconda 3. Click on pop-up, then click on Anaconda Navigator. So launched applications are shown here. Data is spelled Anaconda Notebooks, CMD, Prompt, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook. These are the launched packages. And if you want to use Gulliviz, Orange 3, PyCharm or RStudio, you have to install. And in left side, there are different options. First is home, that is shown, and second is environment. If we click on environment, it will show the installed packages or applications and their different informations. On learning, if we click on learning, it will show the different options to run or for documentation. And last is community. So we click on home. To use Jupyter Notebook, first we click on launch of Jupyter Notebook to open Jupyter Notebook. At this place, we will create our own folder. To create our own folder, we select any folder in which we will create our new subfolder. Suppose I select desktop, and in this desktop, inside this desktop, we create a new folder. For that, click on new, then folder. It will show the untitled folder. We check this untitled folder, and after checking, we click on rename. It will give the option to rename that file. Suppose I click here test. So our test folder will be inside the desktop folder. Then we click on rename. This test folder is created under desktop. We click on test. So we come inside the test subfolder of desktop folder, and at this place uh, we can again click new to open the Jupyter Notebook prompt. So we click on Python 3. It will open the Jupyter Notebook prompt. This is our Jupyter Notebook prompt. At this prompt, we can execute our command. For example, print hello. If we press enter, it will go to the new line, and to execute this command, we have to press shift and enter. So if we press shift and enter, it will show the output. Uh, Let us take second example. Suppose a equal to 5, b equal 6, then print a plus b. And to execute these commands, we press shift enter. So it will show the result 11. So this is a way to use the Jupyter Notebook using Anaconda Navigator. We log out from this. Now, how to use Spider? To use Spider, we go to the Spider, then again click on launch of Spider to open Spider. Click on dismiss, then it will show the different windows. This is our left side window. In right side there are two windows. This is our place where we can write our commands, and this is our place where the result or output of the command will be shown. At this place, we type command print hello, then we click on run. Once again click run, it will show the result in this window. Suppose we want to use new commands. A equal to 5, b equal 6, then print a plus b, and to execute this, we click on run button. It will show the result on this output window. So this is a way to use the Spider using Anaconda Navigator. We exit from this. Thus, we can use any applications that are launched in this home screen, and those applications that shows the install, we have to install these applications. Then we can use using Anaconda Navigator. Now we we see how to use Anaconda prompt to execute Jupyter Notebook, Spider, or any other applications. Click on the Windows Start, then All Apps, then click on Anaconda, and at this time we click on Anaconda prompt. This is the Anaconda prompt. This Anaconda prompt can be used to install any library or package, and it will be also used to open or run the command in Jupyter Notebook as well as any other application. To see the installed Python versions, we type here Python hyphen hyphen version. It shows the installed Python version on this system. To see the version of Conda, we type Conda info and enter. It will show the Conda version 23.74 or other informations related to Anaconda. Then to install any package, we type here Conda install and the name of package or library. Suppose I want to install NumPy. It will show the different informations. Please update Conda by running this command, and all other informations. If we want to install this command, we have to press Y. But I would go with the previous installed NumPy library. So I press here N and press enter. So this is a way to install the any library or package. How to use this Anaconda prompt to use the Jupyter notebook. To open Jupyter notebook on Anaconda prompt, we type Jupyter notebook, then enter. It will open the Jupyter notebook, and at this place I have just created one folder test on desktop. So first we click on desktop, and on this desktop the test folder is available. So we click on this test folder, and to run any command we will click here new, then Python 3. It will show the Jupyter notebook prompt, and at this place we typed our command hello, then we press shift enter. It will show the result. For other commands, let a equal to 5, b equal to 6, print a plus b, enter. Sorry, to execute we press shift enter. It will show the result. So this is a way to use the Jupyter notebook using Anaconda prompt. We exit from this Anaconda prompt, and then we again we go to the Windows start, and then click on all apps, then click Anaconda, and again click on Anaconda prompt. It will show the spider application, and to run the command we type here print hello, then we press run option. It will show the result in output window. To run new file, click here new file, then a equal to 5, b equal 6, then print a plus b, then we click on run file. The result will be shown in result or output window. So this is a way to execute the spider using Anaconda prompt. So there are two ways to run the applications or to install the libraries or packages in Anaconda distribution. First is by using Anaconda Navigator, and second by using Anaconda prompt. So we exit from this application. So this is how we can download and install Anaconda distribution on our Windows 10, 11 operating system or other Windows version. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe below, and I will see you in the next video.